Hey travelers!
In this video we want to introduce you to a small and simple accommodation.
The Home Hotel in Locarno. The entrance area of the hotel features a cozy lounge.
A bar with snacks and drinks for in between is also located here. The hotel also offers breakfast.
The breakfast room is friendly and spacious.
We booked the lovely apartment. This accommodation is ideal for 3 adults or 2 adults and 1 to 2 children.
In the first room there is a bed for 1 to 2 people and a dining table for a maximum of 4 people. The apartment looks clean and well maintained.
Allergy sufferers will appreciate that there is no carpeting in this room.
Note that the second bedroom is separated only by this passage. There is no door that separates the 2 rooms. Here in the second bedroom you find a double bed for 2 adults.
The bed is more of the hard kind. The apartment is simple but practical. Let's get to the bathroom.
This is built into a very small space.
The toilet is really small.
But the fittings are quite new. Soap, a hairdryer and towels are provided.
A kitchen, a washing machine and a second shower would also be available.
However, we did not use all that. The apartment is completed by a small outdoor seating area, as it is located on a ground floor.
The seating area is located right next to the hotel parking lot. The hotel is easy to reach. It's located not far from the train station.
We will put a link in the video description. Please note that you will receive the Ticino ticket for an overnight stay at this hotel. With this you get a lot of discounts. You can also find the link in the video description. If you are looking for a more exclusive hotel in Ticino, watch our video of the Kurhaus Cademario.